order to create your quality life, you have to plan for it. You need to set specific goals for yourself that help you get focused on the right direction, take into account your life right now, and reveal what you're willing to do about it to create your quality life. To set these goals, you can ask yourself one simple question. What are you doing? We'll break down each of the words in what are you doing and talk about how they apply to setting your goals and planning a quality life.
The first word in
What are you doing?
is what. When you're setting a goal, what demands an exact, specific answer.
The quality learner plans their goals in detail, including when they will be completed and exactly how much and how often it will be done. It's important that the goal is specific enough to measure and keep track of in a recording system, like a daily planner.
The R in
What are you doing?
focuses on now. We are talking about your current behaviors and even the past behaviors that influence them.
It's important to realize when you answer this part of the question that you aren't focusing on what you want to do or what you're willing to do, but what's currently happening that could help or hinder your progress towards your goals. This is when some barriers might become apparent. A quality learner will take those barriers into consideration when planning their goals so that they can be overcome.
The U in
What are you doing?
takes a closer look at the barriers you might have discovered, focusing on the R. The U in what are you doing asks you to look at the two angles where those barriers may stem from.
Our barriers are when we tend to blame others instead of taking responsibility for an unfortunate situation. Blaming a professor for failing a test would be an outward barrier. The opposite would be an inward barrier, like when we blame ourselves in a way that lowers our own self-esteem. Saying, I flunked this class because I'm stupid, would be an example of an inward barrier.
The doing in
What are you doing?
asks you to focus on your quality life actions, feelings, and thoughts in addition to those barrier voices. Think about how everything affects the actual doing, the behavior element of your goals, and the big picture of who you are and what you want.
So when you're creating your goals and planning your quality life, remember to ask yourself, what are you doing? And know that there's more to that question than just a simple answer.